Hopefully that sound shows up on camera. I've got a squeaky bearing. This truck happens to be a 2001 24 valve Cummins, but the same thing happened to my Chevy Tahoe. It was a 98 Tahoe, and it was the same exact process to fix it. Sometimes the wheel will seize up and the belt just keeps on running and squeaking, and it'll be a lot more subtle of a squeak, but it's enough to little by little wear down that entire wheel. So pay attention to that too. It might be really subtle and hard to hear. Ow. Die.
Doesn't matter what side.
No.
Should I throw this away? Thanks.
My tension pulley was indeed going out. However, the vibration that I was seeing in the belt, it wasn't only the tension pulley. There's one other thing. Let me show you. When this truck got wrecked, it hit the fan. Well, it hit the whole radiator, intercooler, pushed the fan. So if you look close at this bearing, this is the fan bearing, you can see a little kind of rust spot around the top of it, and then a little tiny bit of clean metal. So what that did, it pushed the pulley. You can see that it wore out that whole side right there, up against some just some bolts down there. It didn't do any real damage, but that's what's making the belt act funny. This bearing has now been pressed back to where it was. You can see a little rust ring on that side too. So we should be pretty dang close. Right on, everything works now. No more squeaky bearing. Everything seems to be running just fine.